workshop here at the National Aquarium was part of research that was demanded by the State Sport Fisheries Advisory Commission back in July. As you stated, some of the video that folks are about to see is extremely graphic. Now, scientists are basically trying to figure out if these cow-nose rays are overpopulated, as some of these contest organizers say, or if they're on the verge of becoming extinct. Shocking doesn't begin to describe the undercover video 11 News showed you back in July. The so-called Battle of the Rays contest on the Patuxent River, where participants shot cow-nose rays at point-blank range, then beat them with bats and put them in a bucket of water to suffocate.
Hard clam, soft shell clam.
Thursday, some of the brightest minds in marine science gathered at the National Aquarium in Baltimore to find out the status of the population and to see if the species needs to be managed.
If there were to be some kind of management in Chesapeake Bay for cow-nose rays, which there is not right now, they're not a managed fishery, what would that look like? What are some of the things we'd want to consider if we were actually to try to manage this species?
Organizers and participants of the Battle of the Rays contest have made previous arguments that they are simply thinning the herd of an overpopulated species. According to data shared at the workshop, that may not be the case, as it appears the cow-nose ray has the potential to be overfished.
You're talking about an animal, a cow-nose ray, that takes about 8 years to reach maturity and produces 1 pup a year. And so they're among, if not the most vulnerable of all shark and ray species that we've looked at.
Animal advocacy groups are hoping the data will sway the Department of Natural Resources to at least put fishing limits in place while more research is done.
It really warrants a precautionary approach to put in some sort of limits to make sure their populations aren't depleted. We can do that in the meantime as we look deeper into the science and the status of the population.
Now, the Sport Fisheries Advisory Commission will take all the data gathered today and try to determine whether they need more, which will mean more workshops, or if they can actually make a decision with what was revealed today. One final note, no representatives from Battle of the Bays was at today's workshops. We are live downtown. I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.